My name is Amrita Sethi, and I'm at Art Dubai 2019, and I'm at the Oman Insurance Bupa Lounge. There's something called voice note art, and it takes the sound and shape of a voice note and combines it with all the meanings of the word. So they say a word is also worth 1,000 pictures. Whether it's a city like Dubai, whether it's a feeling like I love you, whether it's an emotion or an expression. When you say a voice or you record a voice note, there are thousands of images that stream into the mind's eye to capture that.